Okay, we'll be going through the procedure for creating a cutting file to cut the steel bearing plates for our micropower operations. Okay, so for example, we have to cut this 300 by 300 capping plate. Okay, then we see, first we look at the size we need, number of rebar, and also based on the concrete cover to determine the centralizer size. So in case we get 3H40. Okay, so based on that, we can create this, follow this template. Okay, so as you can see, 3 rebar, size 40, 300 by 300 by 20. Okay, first we have to draw the capping plate. So we go to open our CAD software, either NanoCAD or G-StarCAD. Then we click on rectangle. Okay, then any point, just click start. Okay, so we draw. Now in this, they ask you to specify the corner or include dimensions. So we use dimensions, just type D, enter. Okay, then now on the screen, you enter the size. So it's 300, enter, 300, enter. Okay, so we just put this. Now we have to indicate the center of the square to put the centralizer. So first we find the midpoint. So if you don't see this come out, right, so what you can do, just right click on this, then you see all the points to click. So then just click on center, cross, center, escape. Okay, so now we got the center line ready. So we include the centralizer. Now the centralizer is, you can see here is 60. Okay, so just put D, enter, 60, enter. So now there's the centralizer 60. Okay, so now we put the 3 rebar. So okay, for rebar size, normally we put a bit bigger than the rebar size. So normally for like say 40, right, you can do 48. Okay, sorry. So we put first select D first, enter. Okay, and enter 48. So we get diameter 48. So now we move this to, sorry. Wait on. Select, then we type move, enter. Okay, then we click on the point to move. Then we move this to the edge. Okay, next one, then we have to do the pattern. So first we select the item we want to pattern. Then we look for modify. Okay, array, polar array. Okay, so now we have to select. So we want the number of rebars is 3, and we're gonna go 360, right? Okay, then the next one is the center point. So first we seek the center point. Yeah, enter. Okay, then select objects. We should select this. Okay, then enter. And after that, just press OK. And then all set out already. Then we just delete these parts that we don't want. Delete. Okay. Then the next part is to move the whole thing to the origin point 0, 0. So just select the whole thing. Type move. Okay. Click on the bottom corner. Then we just type in 0, 0. Enter. Okay. Now we just save as. Okay, save as DWG. Then we just type in we find the folder that we want to put it. Okay, in this case, I'll just save it on the desktop. Just type. Okay, to make it easier for referencing, so we will say 60. Okay, 4X/H40, 300 by 300. Save. Okay, so now it should be on the desktop. And there you go. You see already. Okay, so now we launch FastNEST. So this icon, FastNEST. Okay, first is if you see the plate, the rectangle, this is the plate boundaries. If it's not like this, then you have to go to plate data. Okay, then you set in the dimensions. Okay, length 1530 by 3 meters. Okay, so you should get this. See this? Next, set the nest parameters. Okay, set common nest cut. So common nest cut just means that if you got 2 squares side by side, you'll cut you won't double cut. You just once you make one single pass only. Okay, enter. Okay, so now we add the parts. Just click add part. Then we go to desktop. And where's my desktop? Okay, then you select the DWG. Here you go, come out already. Select, okay. Then you click OK. Okay, so now we have to fill out the plate. So what I do is you go to array. Okay, then in this case we have 150. The plate width is 1500, so you can cut about 5 plates of 300. So just put 5, enter, X. Okay, so we got 1 row already. And we just keep patterning until we get the number of rows that we want. So it's another 3 more rows. Enter Y, okay. And we're going to 5, enter X, okay. Now 5, enter X. Okay. Now if you zoom in, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the order is jumbled. To rearrange it, you just go to resequence. Okay. Then we just put a row snake. So you should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth. Okay. Done. Then we just go click on output. So just accept. Then just click OK. Okay, so now we go to desktop. Then we save the file. Okay, save as .txt. Save. Okay. Then okay, there you go. Your cut file is ready already. So now you go to your desktop. Okay, then you should see the minimize. Okay, then you see the cut file here already. Then you just copy into the CNC machine to cut the file. Okay, that's it. Thank you.